Hi, Jerry Bielefeld with Workers Safety Shoes. Today I'm going to show you how to apply Tan Yer Hide. This is a deep conditioner for work boots that have dried out, the leather's worn, they're really worn down, and this is going to restore that leather. Always be sure to read the directions on the label because these do have chemicals in them, so you want to be sure you do follow the directions. What you want to do, wipe off any dirt that's on the boot. You can take a rag and you're going to apply this liberally because this is a deep conditioner, so it's really going to restore the leather from the dry state that it's in right now. You want to apply in a circular motion. And really apply generously. You can already see what's happening with the leather in the boot. This is going to restore that leather. It's going to look better than it did when it started. It was all dried and really worn. You can see what happens when you apply this. So what you're going to do after, you're going to just wipe off any excess and then allow it to dry. It's that simple to use.